Hi, we're living in Weymouth and you're joining us today at Abbotsbury Subtropical Gardens.
This is our very first ever visit here, so why not come with us and just go and check it out. This is a temporary pop-up cafe they have here at the moment that we will more than likely check out later for a nice cup of coffee and a slice of cake. Their actual cafe is having a refurb. Given this map and reception, and they gave us a little guided tour with their finger, but there really are so many pathways, you could quite easily get lost in here. So when we got our tickets in reception, they told us there was two bits that we couldn't go to today because they were closed. Now that is the viewpoint, and there is a rope bridge over here that a tree fell on, so they're currently rebuilding it. So the two bits we were kind of looking forward to are not in action today. Never mind, we'll get as close as we can and see what we can see. There's nothing we like more than a secret walk, so let's do it. So what do you think the secret walk is all about?
Well, I doubt it's very secret because they've got a sign.
So you think there's a lot of people that know about it, like these people on the pathway coming up? Okay, so we're at that point there at the bottom, which is where the viewpoint is, which we believe is the other side of the gate and up the hill. Apparently it's fantastic, but we're not going to see it today, so just to come back.
So right between the trees over there, you'll see St Catherine's Chapel. So this is a really nice viewpoint that was built back in 2005.
Well, but this looks pretty cool. I wonder what this is.
So this here is where the rope bridge entrance is, but as you can see it's shut, and hopefully we'll be able to see it from another angle despite it needing repairs.
Right, currently we're at number 14, the carved oak seat. Check out some of these carvings. They're on both sides, absolutely amazing. Right, we're going to head up towards this red bridge up here and see what this is all about. Well, what can I say? This place is lovely, and it really helps that the sun's out today and making everything look just awesome. This water is amazing too. It is so still and it's so peaceful. What a lovely place to be.
At this point, near the end, you've got two options. You can either continue the walk to the exit or go on the alternative route via Southern Hemisphere garden and lily ponds. So we're going to go and see the lily ponds.
So this here is the Oak Folly.
I think that's perhaps a little picnic spot right there, and a bit of shade from the sun.
Well, they say follow the arrows, and this one's pointing at the pop-up cafe that we saw earlier in the video. So you know what that means? It's coffee and cake time. Come on. Right, so I've gone for the chocolate drip cake with a cappuccino cappuccino.
So I went for a cream tea, but with a coffee instead. So I've got a scone, clotted cream and some strawberry jam. So we're all finished now, and that was absolutely delicious. So we've had a fab day here at Abbotsbury Subtropical Gardens, but now it's time to head on home. Hope you enjoyed our video. Thanks for watching. See you again soon.